Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and that's part of the box. If you open the box like this, let us remove this white box again here. Here's been the phone in previously, and here you will find this SIM ejection tool. So just remove the rings a bit to release it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, and that SIM tray you're able to insert next to the main SIM card, also second one or micro SD card. Let me show you a bit more about it. Let's start now with the first SIM card. We need to place it like this. So this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner. And it fits exactly like this. And on the other side, we will have here the contacts. Okay. Now, if you want, you can add optional a second SIM card. It belongs here to the last position. So this is how it should look like then. So you just need to lay it inside. Same thing, also missing corner here on missing corner, and the contacts, they are below. In case if you want to add a micro SD card, you need to remove this SIM card here, because you have to decide then between a second SIM card or a micro SD card, because there's not enough space. So the micro SD card has here the same last place, so it's inserted well like this, and this is how it should look like then here. And the contacts, they are below as well. Okay, if you're finished with, just put your construction here back into the SIM slot, close it well, and that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.